Oh, holy fuck. Oh my gosh, I just jumped out of my bed. I'm like half asleep. Hey, how are you guys doing? It's your boy Dave. Today we are back with another video. Oh my goodness. We have Texas Chainsaw Massacre release date reveal trailer. I'm hype. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Bro, I don't know what to say right now. I literally do not know what to say. But holy shit, here we go. This is what we've been waiting for. This is the shit we live for. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh my fucking goodness. Why the fuck the quality so good? Nah, bro, we ain't seen this before. Woo! Bro, my eyes are watered up right now. No way. Oh no. May 25th technical test. Release date August 18th, 2023. Oh my fucking goodness. Oh my gosh.
What's up, everybody? Welcome.
Hey, what's going on? Whoa. Why this look so good? I'm getting hot, bro. I got goosebumps. I gotta watch this again. I'm sorry. This is crazy. This is bananas. They got the technical test and the motherfucking release date. Are we serious? I can't, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, gun, bro. Hey, y'all. Hey, man. I'm ready, bro. I'm fucking ready, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. On everything I love, I'm ready. August, I'm in there. May, I'm in there. I can't fucking wait, bro. I literally have goosebumps. I'm gonna see y'all there. Hey, mark the date. Mark the dates. God damn it. I'm gonna see y'all next time, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm so damn excited.